These buttons are in a really weird spot. There's like some tiny buttons here and there. Look at this. Look at this thing. Look at this guy. Oh, okay, we got a walk sign on that side. Alrighty, let's go check this out. We got 20 seconds. That's it. Pedestrian button. It's a McCain button. The walk sign's on for the other side. That's falling apart. There's the other side. There's another intersection over there that's kind of similar to the other one. That one over there has a mix between McCain and Campbell buttons over there. Alright, we got 20 seconds now. We gotta wait 20 seconds. Time now. We got some pedestrian buttons, but not very interesting ones at all. Not very interesting ones. Walk sign. "30 seconds. This one looks like that. That's it.